Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what's going and what are the messages for you, Sagittarius. What are the messages for you, Sagittarius? For especially Hindi viewers, I started another channel, Good Energy Tarot Hindi. So do watch that channel also. Please do subscribe. So let's see what are the messages for you, Sagittarius. I will provide link in the description box. So let's see, Sagittarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on. Under the deck, 9 of Cups, Sagittarius, and King of Swords. So 9 of Cups. Your wishes are going to be granted. And King of Swords, there is some communication is coming. And this communication, after this communication, you will get clarity. I think you are very honest and very straightforward in nature. So let's see your reading, but there is wish fulfillment for you, Sagittarius. So recent past, Page of Pentacles, 7 of Swords and 10 of Swords. I think your person is very immature in and out of your life. There is no commitment. But you are very honest. You are very committed in this relationship, Sagittarius. 7 of Swords. Yes, your person is sneaky. They played games with you. But one part of you want to move on from this connection, but another part of you still want rebirth in this connection. You are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make because you love this person no matter what the situations are, but they played with you in past. But Page of Pentacles, maybe they want to communicate with you. They want to send some message. That was past. Then present, 9 of Swords, the Devil with 9 of Wands. See how this person is toxic. This person is very, very toxic for you because the Devil, maybe they are very dominative in this connection. They don't invest anything in this connection, but they want leadership in this connection, like they don't available to you emotionally when you need them. They only come when they want. They only go when they want. That type of situation, dominating situation, and they're obsessed with you. I think this is on and off connection. There is no commitment at all. So that's why you are getting a lot of thoughts, 9 of Swords energy. You are feeling depressed. You are feeling anxiety. This causing a lot of resistance in this connection. Yes, this person is toxic for you, Sagittarius. Then you decided to guard it up. So you are taking care of yourself. You started taking care on your abundance, finances, 9 of Wands. So you decided to guard it up. Then future, Page of Swords, 8 of Swords and Page of Cups. So yes, you are still stuck on this person. Definitely you are getting a lot of thoughts. You want to move on from this person, but you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding this person. And Page of Swords with Page of Cups. There is a lot of stalking going. Your person watching you. They're obsessed with you because the Devil card is here. And Page of Cups. Maybe your person is immature. For some, children's also involved in this connection. So they want to say apology to you. They want to communicate with you. Yes, they want to test the waters before coming towards you. So I'm seeing they're spying. They're watching you. They want to send some message. But you're feeling stuck. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see their feelings and intentions towards you, Sagittarius. their feelings and intentions. Oh, lot of cards I am not taking, but two of cards card is popped out. Maybe in past there is mutual love between both of you, but let's see their feelings. See again the devil card. Emperor and the lovers. Still they are very attracted to you, they are obsessed with you. I am seeing a lot of obsession. Maybe it is about more physical, not emotional. And maybe your person have some ego. Your person may be egoistic person because the emperor. So they only take action when they want. And their feelings, the devil, 4 of swords and 10 of swords. I think they are not talking to you right now. They are in no contact situation with you. They are undergoing some meditation. They want to heal themselves, but they are thinking about you a lot. They are obsessed with you because the devil card is here and 10 of swords. Still your person also want rebirth in this connection, but they are not expressing their feelings to you right now. Yes, they are not expressing, but they also want rebirth in this connection. They are thinking about you a lot. Especially they are obsessed with you. They are watching you. Maybe they are missing your attention because you started focusing on yourself. That's why they are obsessed with you. So let's see their intentions. Lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn. Eight of Pentacles. Came it 8 of Pentacles. Reverse. Maybe I don't read reverse card actually, but in this reading they don't want to take responsibility according to the card, the devil with and King of Swords, the moon. Yes, there are a lot of things. Maybe they are hiding from you. There is something mysterious in this connection. And Queen of Swords, I think it's you. You want best, you deserve best. So maybe you cut off this person from your life. Maybe you decided to cut off. So 8 of Pentacles with the devil, I think they are not taking responsibility. They only want love. They only want happiness, playfulness. But they don't want to take any responsibility. The devil with 8 of Pentacles. But judgment with King of Wands. So in near future they will make decision because 4 of Swords with judgment. They are thinking about to make some decision for this connection. And King of Wands, your person is very attractive person, very popular person also. They stand by their power. They are very balanced person. Yes, they are very passionate about you. They are obsessed with you a lot. And they are going to make some decision. Yes, their intentions towards you is to going make some major decision regarding this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe. Where this connection is headed on. Wow, the Fool. Hermit. Of course. Queen of Wands, King of Cups. Under the deck, 5 of Swords and 4 of Cups. Yeah, lot of fighting, lot of disturbances between right now. Still you have some issues between both of you and you both feeling missed opportunity with each other. You both missing each other. You both thinking about each other. Yes, you both want brand new beginnings with each other. And right now you both undergoing some transformation. You both are thinking, you both recognizing each other a lot. Maybe this could be soulmate connection. On soul level you both are getting recognition. And Queen of Wands with King of Cups, there is a lot of passion. You both are very passionate about each other. And King of Cups, yes, they want to offer their cup of love to you. Yes, mutual card, Knight of Swords with Page of Swords. Lot of spying, guys. Your person spying on you a lot, watching you, wondering you. Yeah, they want to communicate with you. They're in so much rush to communicate with you. There is communication is coming. They're watching you. Apology. Yes, they're going to be make some major decision. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Sagittarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, lots of communication is coming. 8 of Wands, there is some positive growth is coming. Maybe they're realizing that you or their soulmate, they're coming back. This is soulmate connection for some. Maybe in past this person toxic for you, this person is very irresponsible, but now they realize their mistake for some. And the Empress, but you stand by your power no matter what. Now you are okay with or without this person, and this celebration reunion is coming. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ace of Wands, they want passionate new beginnings with you. They want success in this connection. 6 of Wands, wow. They want this happiness with you. And Queen of Swords, there is communication with clarity is coming. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Sagittarius. But very few, maybe this person is really toxic for you. You know your situation more than me. If it is, then there is no point to give another chance to your person. If they are playing games, still they are putting you in third party situation. Wow, new moon in Sagittarius. Luck is on your side. Wow. Luck is on your side, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.